Welcome back, beautiful people, to another session of vocab with me, Anmol, in association tutorial. Today we are starting with the new letter K, the basic words of which 50 of them are presented henceforth. Without any further delay, let's get right into it. Kangaroo, kangaroo. Kangaroo hopped across the field. Kite, patang. The children flew a kite in the open field. King, Raja. The king ruled his kingdom with justice. Key, chabi. He forgot the key at home. Kid, bacha. The kid was playing in the park. Kitchen, rasoi. The kitchen was filled with the aroma of fresh bread. Kick, lat marna. He kicked the ball across the field. Kind, dayalu. She's always kind to everyone. Knot, gant. He tied the rope into a knot. Kettle, bartan, ketli. The kettle is boiling water for tea. Kitten, billi ka bachcha. The kitten was playing with a ball of yarn. Knee, ghutna. He injured his knee while playing football. Knowledge, gyan. She has a deep knowledge of history. Keeper, sanrakshak. The zookeeper fed the animals every morning. Kingdom, rajya. The kingdom flourished under his rule. Kill, marna. The hunter killed the deer for food. Knit, bunna. She loves to knit scarves in the winter. Knock, darwaze par dastak dena. She knocked on the door before entering. Carapaces. The hero's carapaces in the story marked the beginning of his struggle. Ketchup. She added ketchup to her fries. Kidnap, aparan karna. The criminals plan to kidnap the millionaire's daughter. Knack, kaushal. She has a knack for solving difficult puzzles. Kilometer. The nearest hospital is 5 kilometers away. Kelp. Kelp forests provide shelter for marine animals. Cookie, Ajib. His cookie ideas always make everyone laugh. Keen, Utsahi. She is a keen observer of human behavior. Kale. Kale is rich in vitamins and minerals. Kindness, Dayaluta. His kindness was appreciated by everyone. Knives, Chure. He used knives to chop vegetables for dinner. Killed, Mara. The hunter killed the deer in the forest. Keeper, Sanrakshak. The keeper of the museum gave us a tour of the exhibits. Kiddo, bacha. Hey kiddo, do you need help with that? Kebab. We had chicken kebabs for dinner. Kiosk. The kiosk near the park sells ice cream. Knuckle. He hit the table with his knuckles. Knowledgeable, Jankar. She is very knowledgeable about art history. Kicked, Latmari. He kicked the ball into the goal. Kernel, Udaya Beej. The kernel of the corn was tender and sweet. Kickoff, Shuruat, Prarambh. The game will begin with a kickoff at 6 p.m. Knelt, Gutne Tekna. He knelt in front of the king to show respect. Kayak. They enjoyed kayaking in the river during the summer. Kempt, Saja hua ya vyavasthit. She looked very kempt after getting her hair done. Unkempt is the opposite of it. Kingly, Rajasi. The king made a kingly appearance at the palace. Kinetic, Gatij. The kinetic energy of the moving car was impressive. Knitwear, Bunai ka kapda. She bought a cozy piece of knitwear for the winter. Knocked, Dastak dena. She knocked on the door 3 times before entering. Knowledgeable, Jankar. She is very knowledgeable about world history. Kicked, Latmari. The soccer player kicked the ball into the net. Killed, Mara, the soldier was killed in battle. And that's that for today. I can't see you in the next one. ये हटा देना यार 49th 48th के बाद सीधा अगले 50 पे ले आना है ना. Keynote, मुख्य बिंदु. The keynote speaker emphasized the importance of innovation in the technology industry. That's that for today. I will see you in the next one.